Dave at USA Performance Parts. I want to show you our Lunati 3500 stroke crankshaft and rotating assembly kit. This is a very lightweight crankshaft, very strong. You're looking at 43 pounds compared to 55 pounds for a normal standard weight. They have the star flange where they machine a lot of weight off the flywheel flange. They also have the light and rod journals, and all the mains are gun drilled to get rid of even more weight. And they also have the scalloped undercut machining for the counterweights, where you get rid of that much more weight without affecting the strength of the crankshaft. These kits for the lightweight stuff are good in the 650 horsepower range on down. We have a couple of different rods we use with this. For the 650 horsepower stuff, depending on the RPM, we use the Molnar midweight rod. This is only a 550 gram rod. Has 3/8 ARP 2000 proprietary bolts in it with asymmetrical threads, and the length and grip length in it. Very, very strong rod, being that it's that light. For the guys that are down around 550 horsepower, the lightweight rod works great. Anywhere from 500 to just a little bit over, closer to 550, this rod works great. It has the same 3/8 ARP 2000 bolts in it with the proprietary asymmetrical threads. This rod is about almost 50 grams less than the midweight rod, so we get into a real light piston and rod combination. For pistons, we also use the SRP Pro in a lot of these. Most of these are in a 4-inch to 4030 bore. This is the flat top version with the coated skirts. Uses a 1.2, 1.5, 3 millimeter ring package. Has the inboard forging for strength and lightweight. These come with a 250 long pin and a 150 wall for a very lightweight pin. We also have the SRP Pro in the dome for the guys wanting to make some more compression ratio where they're allowed, with all the other great features. We also do a Manley piston in these also. We have these for the 2-barrel, the 4-barrel. We have a ultra lightweight for the 500 horsepower stuff to get the weight even down more. These also have an inboard forging and use a 2/300 length pin in them with a 150 wall. 130 wall is available for the guys in the 500 horsepower range. On a real lightweight piston, that works even better. We use the King XP bearings exclusively in these kits. These have a very tight tolerance, and they have the dark gray black overlay, which is not a coating, it's just an overlay, but it's a much better overlay than the old lead overlays. It wears better, and it is easier on the crankshaft. The Manley pistons have they come with a 1.5, 1.5, 3 millimeter ring package, or an 043, 3 millimeter in a gas ported version on most of their pistons. Again, these have the 1.2, 1.5, 3 millimeter rings on them. Both very, very good pistons, very lightweight. I have most any kind of combinations for whatever head you have or your class rules. Just give me a call, 704-397-7979, or check us out on the web, usaperform.com.